In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade indoor photos in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're a beginner or have a bit of experience, mastering the art of color grading can transform your photos, helping them to truly stand out. Let's start by importing and selecting the photos you'll be editing. Once you've done that, you'll want to switch over to the Develop module. This is where all the magic happens. One of the first and most crucial adjustments you'll need to make is the white balance. Indoor lighting can vary significantly, and getting the white balance right is essential for natural-looking photos. Head over to the Basic panel. Here, you'll adjust the temp slider to find a balance between warm and cool tones. Additionally, tweak the tint slider to balance between green and magenta. This process helps ensure that the lighting appears natural and enhances the overall atmosphere of your photo. Now, if you find yourself dealing with mixed lighting conditions, such as a combination of window light and artificial indoor light, it gets a bit tricky. In these situations, the white balance selector is an invaluable tool. Use it to click on a neutral area in your photo, preferably something white or gray. This helps the software understand the light nuances and make appropriate adjustments. Once the white balance is sorted, move on to basic tone adjustments. Increasing the contrast can make your image pop, but be careful to avoid excessive clipping in the highlights or shadows. You're looking to strike a good balance and achieve a full tonal range that brings out the details without losing information. Also, if you feel your image needs more structure or definition, adjust the clarity and texture sliders. However, it's worth noting that when editing images with people, particularly portraits, you might want to be gentle with these adjustments to avoid creating a harsh appearance, especially on skin textures. Next, we delve into the creative side of things through color grading. Scroll down to the color grading panel. This newer feature replaces the older split toning tool and provides enhanced control over your image. In this panel, you have the ability to individually adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights. For a typical indoor shot, consider giving the highlights a slight warm hue. This can beautifully mimic the warm glow of tungsten lamps, adding a cozy feel to your photo. Conversely, applying a cooler hue to the shadows can increase the contrast and create more depth. If you're aiming for a consistent overall look, you can use the global wheel to apply an overall tint to your image. Additionally, play around with the blending and balance sliders. These allow you to control the interplay between the different tonal regions, ensuring your adjustments appear harmonious and cohesive. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to color grading your indoor photos in Lightroom Classic. With these techniques, you're well on your way to enhancing your images and achieving a professional look. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!